welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Shoebacca's shoes. So let's see what we got. We got some Timberlands. Ooh, these are their latest snow boots. You see the sole, super quality. Oh man, Chicago weather is gonna like these boots, or you know. Look at those nice little, that rivet detail. The leather feels so soft. Quality, I mean, it's just, you can just see the quality breathing off of it. It's like leather everything. And it's it's waterproof. Wow, already waterproof, that's great. Normally I have to spray my shoes, but I'll probably spray these as well, but let me try them on so I see how they feel. There it is. And there we have it. Oh, super cute. And they feel super nice too. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this little guy.